This is Jatin Kothari from Kothari Estates. Just to tell something about myself, that we've been in this property consultancy for more than about 3 or 4 decades right now, and currently we're handling mandate property in Chennai, which is called Arit Homes Sky High Tower. So just to know a little bit about this investment, we proudly announce first time in the history of Chennai, we're coming up with a property which gives you 7% rental return on a minimum investment of 34 lakhs. So the advantage is your investment is very low and your return is 7%, which no other builder in Chennai has given. And this property is in one of the most developing area. The area is developing right now. It's not a developed area. And the area is called Poneri. It's in North Chennai. Why I'm saying it's a developing area? Because you have all these industries. About 2,000 industries are in Poneri and surroundings. For example, the Adani port is just behind us. Sri City is behind us. We have Mahindra Origin, which is behind us. These are all where industries are coming up. Currently, we have the Tatas, the Adanis, the Colgate, Siemens, Kellogg's. Everybody is in that area. So the advantage is those clients are all a part of our existing 20.25 acres, what we are offering right now. Currently the investment, as I said, which is 34 lakhs, is in a tower which is 18-story tall. It's going to be all 690 square feet, smart 2 BHKs. When I'm telling you investment of 34 lakhs, return of 20,000, you must be wondering how. For that, the answer is, we already have a lot of corporate tie-ups, where for 4 floors in our 80-story tall building, we are giving to the Japanese. Why? Because the Japanese JICA has a huge investment in that area. They're coming up with a 5,000 crore investment plan at Mahindra Origin, where they've already tied up with us to give them apartments and renting. So that's how we're going to commit our clients the 7% return. Apart from that, we have about 13 colleges, which is close to Poneri. For example, Velaman International School, which is just opposite to us. That's an IB board. There are about 20,000 students who are studying there right now. So for them, we're going to provide the student housing. 4 floors of our 18-story will go only for student housing. There again, each student, we're going to be charging about 10,000 rupees. So we're going to make 5 beds in an apartment of 690 square feet, where we're going to earn about 50,000 a month. But my return is about 20,000. That's the way I'm going to make my money. Investors would wonder, what if we don't give what we commit? So for that, I'm telling all my investors who are going to invest with us, the money is going to come from an escrow account, from a bank. So when you're buying a property worth 34 lakhs, the money, the monthly rental, we'll have an escrow account with the client and the bank. The money will be deposited in the bank. Every month, the money comes from the escrow account. So you don't have to worry that the money will come or not. So we have a very safe investment. We've started this project on August 22nd. We've sold more than about 120 units in just about 4 months' time. So I request everybody to come and see Arit Homes. It's an investment which no other builder has ever provided in the city. We have another USP on this project. We have a beautiful club which is a part of this project, and that's called PGC. It's called the Poneri Gymkhana Club. The advantage of PGC is it's not a clubhouse. It's a 100% club. Like in the cities you have this cosmopolitan, the presidencies. So this club, we give you a membership at only 1 lakh once you buy an apartment with us. The advantage is at 1 lakh you get a lifetime membership for a family, husband, wife and 2 kids, and you can use 200 clubs all over India. So that's the advantage. For example, in this city, if you become a member of Cosmo or Presidency, which are all amazing clubs, but yes, the cost is more. They will be charging around 15 to 20 lakhs. But I am giving you as an investor only at 1 lakh rupee, if you buy a flat in Arit Homes. So I request all of you to please come and see the property, because I always believe seeing is believing. And 7% return, no other builder has given in Chennai. You might say the bank gives you 7% return on an FD, but the logic is your money will not appreciate there. Here your money will appreciate. With the property end of 4 or 5 years, it probably become double because of the area, the growth in that area. And there is a outer ring road coming up in Poneri, which is going to connect the entire city. A lot of infrastructure development is happening there. I request you all to please come and see the site. Give me a call. I'll probably share my number. It's 984008998. You can give me a call. I'm going to arrange a site visit for everybody, and then you can come and see for yourself. Seeing is believing, so please come over. Thank you so much.
This is Sudhir Mundra. I'm a past president of M Circle. M Circle is an 11-year organization of the Maheshwari community, and we have started this event called Geekopedia. It's a one of its kind event in Chennai. It's a quiz based totally on business, and we're a business based organization. We promote business within ourselves and our community. We are very proud to be associated with Aarti Homes as our channel partner this year for the competition Geekopedia. It's an event of its own kind, which nobody does in Chennai and rather in India. We are very proud to be associated with Aarti Homes, and we wish them a great investment opportunity in Chennai. Thank you.
How many years are doing this?
We've been doing this event for 3 years. This is the successful event, third year. We had a break for 1 year for the COVID. And we have around, this year we have around 17 teams taking part, and the prize money is up to 2 lakh rupees. And we run this event even for people staying at home. We run this event for a month long now.
Prize gifts offering? Any prize gifts?
Yeah, the prizes are up to rupees 2 lakhs. Cash prizes up to 2 lakhs. Yeah. The first prize is 50,000 rupees, and then there are multiple prizes based on the events, questions for the guests, for the spectators, and for people playing from home.